In our new series, SketchWithMe, we're going to make our own Authenticator app using Sketchware Pro. Before we get started, head over to the settings of Sketchware Pro. Then, go to App Settings. Make sure to enable the first three options. Next, navigate to the Block Manager. Create a new palette called Authenticator. Pick any color you like. And import the blocks. You can find the link for the blocks and components in the description below. Lastly, go to the Component Manager. Import the component. And that's all set. Now, let's get started on our project. Time to start a fresh project. Tap New Project. To keep it simple, I'm going to call it Authenticator for now. And I'll just keep all the other settings as they are. Now, if you can give me a minute or two for the app design. I'll keep the design simple and straightforward. And that's for the design. Allow me to explain. First, the edit text. This is where we'll input the secret key needed to generate time-based one-time passwords. And the button, when pressed, should save the secret key. Lastly, the text view will output the one-time passwords generated from the secret key. Time to work on the brain of our app. First, go to Component tab. Add a timer component. The OTP needs to refresh every 30 seconds fix. We'll use the timer to refresh every second. Why every second? 'Cause this way we won't miss the 30-second mark. Next, add a shared preferences component. This is where we'll store the secret key. Finally, add our Authenticator component. This component holds the necessary stuff needed to generate the time-based one-time passwords. Now let's go back to the Event tab. Head to More Block. Create a new More Block. I'll name it Refresh for simplicity. This More Block is where we'll refresh and get the one-time passwords we got from the secret key. First, add a try-catch block. Then a set text block and set it to the text view we have. Add the Get TOTP from Key block. This block will generate the OTP we need. Since we're saving the secret key using shared preferences, we'll use the Shared Preferences Get Data Key block to obtain the secret key. Make sure that the key you use to save and to obtain is the same. Add the timer after millisecond block. Set this to 1000 millisecond or 1 second. Add the refresh more block. So what we do here is that we are refreshing the OTP every second or 1000 millisecond. Back to activity. Add on resume event. Add on pause event as well. In on resume event, let's add refresh more block. Then in on pause event, add timer cancel block. Let's go to button on click event. As I explained earlier, on button click will save the secret key we set in the edit text. Add the shared preferences set data block. And that should be everything. Let's try our project. Even though the project we made today is functioning smoothly, it's far from being production ready. There are a few areas that could use some enhancements, like adding encryption when storing secret keys. If you have any questions, ideas, or just want to say hi, feel free to leave a comment. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for future content, and I'll see you next time.